Have you ever wondered why Alzheimer's disease, a condition that affects millions worldwide, has no definitive cure yet? Alzheimer's is a pervasive illness, with its insidious nature impacting not just the individuals diagnosed, but also their families, communities, and healthcare systems at large. It is a complex disease, characterized by the progressive degeneration of brain cells leading to memory loss, cognitive decline, and behavioral changes. Despite the significant efforts of the scientific community, fully understanding Alzheimer's remains an elusive goal. This is due in part to the intricate workings of our brain, the exact processes of which are still being unraveled. Researchers are continually piecing together the puzzle, making strides in our knowledge and approach to this debilitating disease. Yet, a definitive cure remains just beyond our grasp. So why is Alzheimer's so difficult to treat? Let's delve into the workings of our brain to better understand. Alzheimer's is a neurodegenerative disease, a condition that progressively destroys brain cells. Now, let's delve deeper into the biological intricacies of this condition. Picture this. Your brain is a bustling metropolis, with neurons as the citizens communicating through complex networks. In Alzheimer's, two notorious villains wreak havoc in this city: plaques and tangles. Plaques, composed of a protein called beta-amyloid, clump together and form hard, insoluble deposits. These plaques are like roadblocks, disrupting the smooth flow of communication between neurons. Meanwhile, tangles, which are twisted fibers of a protein named tau, form inside dying cells. Imagine a city's infrastructure collapsing from within. That's what tangles do to neurons. They compromise the transport system within cells, leading to a shortage of vital supplies and eventually, cell death. Now here's where it gets tricky. Despite our understanding of plaques and tangles, the exact cause of Alzheimer's remains elusive. Some researchers suggest it's a combination of genetic, environmental, and lifestyle factors. Others argue that it's an age-related phenomenon. This lack of a definitive cause is what makes Alzheimer's so difficult to treat. It's akin to fighting an enemy whose identity and tactics are unknown. And so, the research continues, with scientists worldwide trying to unravel the mystery that is Alzheimer's. It's like trying to solve an incredibly complex puzzle without knowing what the final picture should look like. So, given these complexities, what makes Alzheimer's so hard to treat? The challenges are manifold. First, we grapple with the absence of a definitive cause. Next, early diagnosis remains elusive, making timely intervention a tall order. Most formidable, however, is our inability to halt or reverse brain cell death, a key hallmark of Alzheimer's. While Alzheimer's remains a formidable adversary, the relentless pursuit of knowledge continues. Through ongoing research, we strive to unravel the mysteries of Alzheimer's and one day find a cure.